students, class 11 mathematics. We are going to start our trigonometric functions, and in this unit we have solved example number 12. Now we have to solve example 13. Prove that sin x plus y upon sin x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon tan x minus tan y. So let us see solution. LHS is equal to sin x plus y upon sin x minus y, and this is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and divided by sin x cos y minus cos x sin y by the formula. So dividing sin x cos y upon cos x cos y, cos x cos y minus plus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y upon sin x cos y upon cos x cos y minus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y, on dividing each term of numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. So this is equal to tan x plus tan y upon tan x minus tan y. This is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Cancel or cancel. So hence proved. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence let us see example. So that tan 3x tan 2x tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Solution tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus x. So this is equal to tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x into tan x, or this tan 2x plus tan x is equal to tan 3x duplicate 1 minus tan 2x tan x. So this is equal to tan 3x minus tan 3x tan 2x tan x. So this gives tan 3x tan 2x tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Hence proved. So this is the complete solution of this example number 14. Prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. So let us see its solution. Proof. LHS is equal to cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x. This is equal to 2 cos pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this is equal to 2 cos pi by 4, 2 cos pi by 4 into cos x. So this is 2 into 1 by root 2 cos x. So this is equal to root 2 cos x. This is RHS and proved. So this is the complete solution of example 15. So let us see the solution of example 16, which is prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x upon sin 7x minus sin 5x is equal to cos x. So let us see its solution. Starting from LHS, we have cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x, and just by applying series formula we write here 2 cos 7x plus 5x by 2 into cos 7x minus 5x by 2 divided by 2 cos 7x plus 5x by 2 into sin 7x minus 5x by 2. So this is equal to cancel cos 6x cos x upon cos 6x sin x. So this is cancel. We get cos x by sin x. So this is equal to cot x. So this is RHS. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have proved. So likewise, let us see example number 17. Example number. Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x, and this is equal to tan x. Solution starting from question example 17. Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. So let us see its solution. Starting from LHS, we have sin 5x plus sin x minus 2 sin 3x divided by cos x 5x minus cos x. So this is equal to 2 sin 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x by 2 minus 2 sin 3x divided by minus 2 sin 5x plus x by 2 into sin 5x minus x by 2. So this is equal to 2 cancel sin 3x cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x upon minus sin 3x into sin 2x. So by taking common sin 3x, sin 3x common, we get cos 2x, not cancel, this 2 will be here, 2, so 2 sin 3x common, we get cos 2x minus 1 divided by minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x. So 6 cancel, so this we get 1 minus cos 2x divided by sin 2x, and this is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x upon 2 sin x cos x. So this is cancelled, sin by sin, so we get sin x by cos x, so this is equal to tan x. So this is RHS. So this is the complete solution of example number 17.